Welcome to another day in paradise. Welcome to King's Landing, aka Dubrovnik. We are on a budget and I'm going to tell you why, and then we are going to explore this beautiful, crazy city. Let's go! So yesterday a pretty crazy but beautiful thing happened. If you missed out on the last video, I'll link it up here. And we went on an excursion and my limit of the credit card was maxed out. So I was not able to get any money, and as it was Saturday, I was unable to reach my bank to further up my limit to get any money. And we only had 100 euros left. The tour was 120 euros for the both of us. So we were debating different options to get on the excursion because we really did want to go on it, but we couldn't really figure out a way. But in the end, the girl working at the desk, she paid for us in advance and accepted to get the money transferred from my bank to hers on Monday. So that was really nice. But it means today is Sunday and we don't have any money left. So we are here on a budget. Let's see how far we can get with just a couple of euros. Let's go explore. Shame on you if you haven't subscribed yet. Use the chance, do it now. Let's go! And push the like button if you're already down there. Thank you very much! So the old part of the city, which is King's Landing in Game of Thrones, is free of charge. So you can just enter the city without having to pay. And here you can roam freely. And it is crazy. The whole city, it just looks like it is a movie set. Like it was a movie set, but it was a city before. So this is how it looks. As a little game, you could try to find different spots where they filmed Game of Thrones in this video. Mark the time code down in the comments and comment the scene that you remember. Let's play! You might remember those stairs in the background from a very specific scene. but you might not remember then that crowded. As a disclaimer, it is Sunday, it's high season, so maybe you can try to get here when it's not that crowded. But yeah, still cool to see and to imagine how they filmed all of the series without people here. You can see all those reddish orange roofs that are so iconic. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like this, but the floor is kind of slippery. It feels like you're walking on marble. I don't know if that's from all the millions of people coming here to visit this crazy city, or if it's supposed to be like that. But it makes it a lot of fun to walk around, but you have to be careful sometimes not to slip and fall. Parking around the old city is quite a nightmare, so we managed to park in this region because you can find a parking spot for 10 kuna per hour there, which is way cheaper than in all the park houses, and around the city most parking spots are just for residents only. That's another epic view. That's the subscribe button. If you haven't clicked it already, shame on you. And there are more videos to watch. Enjoy those and see you over there.